guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I picked up some new goodies from the Ulta collection. I picked up this headband. I picked up a new eyeshadow palette that they dropped. It's called Electric City. This is going to be, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pan palette full of matte and shimmer shadows. It'd been a while that I haven't tried a new Ulta collection eyeshadow palette, so I was intrigued by this one. The packaging, of course, caught my attention. They also dropped 2 blush duos. This is the one I chose to pick up. I am a sucker for flamingos. If it has a flamingo on it, I'm pretty much sold on it. So the shade that I picked up in this one is called, I guess it's just called Flamingo Flush. I thought it had maybe a different name. I don't know if the other one is called Flamingo Flush, but this is what it looks like. You get a little mirror, you get a cream blush on the bottom, and you get a powder blush on the top. You have the little flamingo imprint on there. I also picked up a couple lip products, and they are these right here. This is a plumping lip gloss. This one is in the shade Tropical Heat. And then this one, which we're going to be applying the lip products first just because I don't have anything on my lips. This is a dual-ended liner and lipstick combo. This one is in the shade Royal Flush. I also picked up an eye crayon, and this one is in the shade, or it's a cream shadow, but I like to use these in the waterline. This one is called Surfs Up, and it's gonna be a like mint colored eyeliner. So really excited about that. And last but not least, I picked up a Beach Day Jelly Highlighter. This one looks so pretty. This one's in the shade Vacay mode, and there you can see it in the little container. I think it looks really pretty. I thought this looked like a really fun collection. Very beach inspired, spring, summer inspired. So let me go ahead. Let's put this headband on. I am testing out the new Bare Minerals matte foundation, and I'm also testing out 2 new NYX concealers, the peach, or the pink corrector, I should say, and their new concealer, and both are like stick forms. You guys will see that video go up probably the day after this one goes up. So got a lot to get through today. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steph. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes and makeup ranking videos, get ready with me style of videos. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Ulta collection or just affordable makeup in general, because this was all pretty affordable, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, everything will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me on my channel. I want to point out one more thing that I picked up. I picked up these new lashes from Kiss. They're the new natural lash in the shade, or in the style, I should say, high bun. Let's get started, guys. If y'all want to see this new Ulta collection makeup in action, keep on watching. And you know what I just realized? I forgot to do my brows before coming on camera. I did the foundation concealer application and I put bronzer on. How did I forget to do my brows? I'll have to take care of that in a second. Let's start with this dual-ended liner and lipstick combo. Again, this is a shade Royal Flush. I got something neutral that I thought would pair well with the palette. Okay, I like that shade. That's pretty. Very nice. Feels creamy, but not too creamy to where I feel like it's gonna rub off. This is what the lipstick side looks like. Ooh, this feels nice too. Okay. I kind of wish all lipsticks were shaped like this. I think it would make application really simple. But I like it. Okay, Royal Flush. So far, I think we're off to a good start. Let's add the Plumping Lip Gloss to it. Paradise Pout Plumping Lip Gloss. I like the packaging. I think the packaging is cute. That is a good shade with the lipstick. Okay, now I'm starting to feel the tingle. I'm gonna wipe off the applicator just because I don't want the lipstick to transfer into the gloss. The tingle does not feel like an intense sensation, like a burning or anything like that. It feels nice. It feels really comfortable. Before I hop off camera to do the brows, let me go in with the Flamingo Flush Blush. How pretty is that? And I love these headbands, by the way. Are you guys into these like little puffy headbands? I have really been enjoying them. I've been sent a few in PR, and I'm always so excited whenever I see them in the mail. I'm going to use my BK 112. And we'll start applying. This is the cream one first. Kind of reminded me of the Give by Gwen Stefani blushes. Actually, no. Hers doesn't have a cream. It's the Patrick Ta ones. Patrick Ta and Patrick Star. Although Patrick Star, his one size brand, they have 3 because one's a highlighter. But the Patrick Ta blushes are a cream and powder. That is some very pretty pigment. I did not take the bronzer down. I just kept the bronzer to the forehead. Okay, so both cheeks have the cream blush on. Now I'm going to go into the top, same brush, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of the powder. So I like a cream and powder combo blush because I feel like that helps it last longer throughout the day. You really get that pigment to get you a full workday's wear. Some cream blushes I feel can fade a bit. Not all of them, but some of them can. Liquid blushes, I feel like liquid blushes have more stain power than cream blushes. What do you guys think? This is such a fun color. More bold blush going into 2024. Now they had a liquid highlighter. I didn't pick it up, so I'm going to grab a highlighter and I'll take care of that when I do my brows right now. But this is the blush. I'm loving it. It's like a red pink tone. I think if you have a deeper skin tone, this is going to look beautiful. I'm going to need to just pat over everything with my damp sponge. But I think it's looking really pretty. I think it looks nice with the headband. So I'm going to pop off camera, get myself ready with those finishing touches like brows and highlighter, eyeshadow primer as well. I'll be right back and we'll start creating a look with the Electric City palette. Okay guys, so let's dive into the palette. The eyeshadow primer I went in with is this one from NYX. It is their Ultimate Shadow and Liner Primer. So let's dive into the Electric City palette. I'm wearing black and like beige today, so I'm pretty neutral as far as, you know, the colors that I'm wearing for work. I see blue and I see brown. You guys know I love that color combination, but I also see this fun pop of yellow that I think I want to do in the inner corner. So let's take the shade Mango Tango, that's so cute, and let's apply that to the inner portion of the eye. I'm using my Refer 01. Let's see what kind of payoff we're gonna get. So I think this looks a little brighter in the pan than it does on my eye. Actually, no, that looks pretty good. That's a good yellow. That's a good yellow. But if you wanted to make it pop even more, put a white base. Elf has one. Moira has one. The ABH and Juvia's Place, like the lightest shade in their eyeshadow primer, is pretty light. But NYX also has a white, like crayon eyeshadow stick that you could use as well. But no, this is gonna be, I think this is good. This is what I wanted. All right, so next I think I'm gonna go into the shade right here. This one is called Tan Line. I'm using a Game Beauty E03. I'm gonna kind of work this into the crease while also applying it to the lid. Now on a BKA 502, I'm going to go into this dark brown shade. This one is called Coconut Dreams. I'm going to use that in the outer corner as well as through the crease. Now I'm just going to bring back some of the yellow. Now for the lower lash line, let me wait on that. I definitely think I want to mix these two blues together for the lid. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. I like this little purple shade here, but I think I'm going to go with these. I'm going to do this one first and then this one. This darker one is called Ocean Breeze and the lighter one is called Cruise Control. I'm using my damp Morphe M124 to apply. Same brush. Now I'm going to take the shade Cruise Control and I'm going to focus it like a little closer to the inner corner. I will say that the shimmer shadows don't feel the most creamy. They do feel a little dry. They're definitely gonna benefit from a setting spray, like from a damp brush. Oh, but that looks pretty. I mean, they're performing. They're not like your insane, intense duochromes. That's not what they're meant to be, but with a little setting spray, you can achieve some nice payoff. Oh, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna need to bring back the yellow a little bit just because I feel that kind of got a little covered up. There we go. Ooh, okay. All right. Now for the lower lash line, let's see. I could do this shade right here, or maybe I should just do the dark brown. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go back with Coconut Dreams using a Rephr 26. With that same brush, I just cleaned it off. I'm going to go in with this white shade. This one is called Sandy. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that to the brow bone. And with that, oh, we didn't get to use the Jelly Met shadow. Darn. Okay, I'm going to swatch it for you guys really quick. Here is the Jelly Met shadow. It looks really beautiful. I'll have to create another look with this palette, but let me just swatch that back there. You can see it's just a nice like topper shade, but it looks really cool. So I'll definitely be using it in an upcoming video. Hopefully I can do a YouTube short and Instagram reel with this palette, but I'm going to do the finishing touches off camera. I do have this crayon that I think I'm going to try using in the waterline. I think this will be a nice mix, a nice contrast with these colors. I'm going to also apply the lashes just because I'm dying to try them out, and then I'll be right back and I'll show you guys the completed look, and we'll wrap up today's video trying out new Ulta collection makeup. Okay guys, so here is the completed makeup look. I decided not to do the lashes because I thought my lashes were looking pretty good. I went in with this drugstore combo, the Maybelline Sky High Lash Primer, and then I went in with this L'Oreal mascara. It's the Pure False Lash Mascara, and I really like the way my lashes turned out, so I thought, you know what, we'll save the lashes for another video. Let me recap everything. So the headband, I told you guys I love these like little puffer style headbands. They come in handy. This was part of the collection and I like the color pink, so I thought it was really, really cute. I like the blush, Flamingo Flush. I like that it's a cream and a powder. I guess I read that wrong on the website. I didn't know we were going to get a cream, but I'm pleasantly surprised, and I think it's really pigmented. It can definitely be sheared out, and I like it. You do get a little mirror with it. So far, the lippy combo seems to be working out really, really well. It's not an insane plumping effect that you get with this gloss, so I love that. I'm sensitive to like spiciness, so I have to be careful with that. The liner and lipstick duo, I think this is great. We'll see what kind of staying power it has. I would imagine it's going to come off right after I eat lunch, but that's okay. I don't mind, but I like that they're kind of rounded off. It's not your typical bullet style lipstick. I feel it just allows for an easier application, and I love the packaging on the gloss. The crayon, I put that in the lower waterline. I love it. I think it's perfect. Did I tell you guys the shade on this one? It's called Surfs Up, and I want to say there was like 2, maybe 3 different shades in the crayons that were released. The Electric City palette, I think it's cute. I think it's fun. It's not as vibrant as the packaging looks, so don't let that deter you from picking this up. If you like the shades, which I like that there's some neutral shades and then the colors are the shimmer, that's always a lot easier to create looks with, especially for those of you who aren't really into colorful makeup. This is an easy way to get a little bit of color without taking it, to the next level. I love the look I was able to create. Again, these shimmers are more along the lines of traditional shimmers. They felt a little dry, but if you use a brush, a damp brush, especially spray it with some setting spray, then that's how you're gonna get the maximum payoff. I thought that the matte shades, they built up well. You will have to work a little bit to build them, but they blended out nicely. And I think it's just a cute palette. Maybe you're going to get this for a teenager. Maybe you're going to get this for somebody who's like new to makeup, or maybe you yourself are new to makeup. You don't want to spend too much. I mean, this would not be terrible. It's not the worst palette that I've tried. I will definitely be using the jelly much. I'm thinking of ColourPop, but the Beach Day Jelly Shadow in an upcoming video where I can hopefully use the palette and this one together because I thought that looked really pretty. So overall, guys, I liked everything I tried. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. Great job, Ulta collection, on these new goodies. Let me know if you've seen these in store. I ordered everything online, but let me know if anything caught your eye and if you're going to be picking up anything from this collection. Stay tuned for my foundation and concealer review wear test. This video will go up probably the day after you're watching this particular video. And again, I'm wearing the new Bare Minerals Matte Liquid Foundation. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.